Hello student, today we are going to solve the question answer of history chapter 1. In first question, what is a civilization? So answer of this question is a river valley civilization or a civilization is an agricultural nation or civilization situated beside and drawing substance from a river. The first great civilizations, such as those in Mesopotamia and ancient Egypt, all grew up in river valleys. Okay. Second one is which is the first civilization of India? Why it is called so? So, Indus Valley civilization is the first civilization of India. It is known so because it developed on the bank of the river Indus. Third one, name the a few cities of the Indus Valley civilization. So student, answer of this question is important cities of Indus Valley civilization are Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. These cities include Harappa, Ganjeriwala and Mohenjo-daro in modern days, Pakistan, and Dholvira, Kalibanga, Rakhigadi, Rupar and Lothal in modern day India. Question number 4, name a few occupations of the people of Indus Valley civilization. And answer of this question is occupations are agriculture and domestication of animal, art and craft and trade were the main occupations of Harappan people. Question number 5 is write the features of Indus Valley civilization. So here you can see the significant feature of the Indus Valley civilizations are personal cleanliness, town planning, construction of burnt brick houses, ceramics, casting, forging of metals, manufacturing of cotton and woolen textiles. Next question is how do we know that most industries were very well planned? So answer of this question is most of the industries were very planned, and this is evident from the excellence town planning, draining system and sanitation. The street cut each other at right angle. They were 800 meters long and 10-meter wide. The streets had houses on both sides in a planned manner. Along with this, the drainage system was also properly planned. The floor of the bathrooms were sloped. The bathrooms and kitchen of every house had drained, which were connected to the street drains. The street drains were covered and run along the street. Next question is what is the occupation of Indus Valley civilization? People of Indus Valley civilization. So the people of Harappan civilization followed several occupation based on their skill. Some of the examples are weaving, pottery, jewelry making, stone cutting, metal work, tool making, seal making, boat making, masonry, trading, and farming. The crafts made by the people of Harappan civilization were made of stone, metal and shell. They were made either at homes or at workshop. The craft included amulets, beads, weights and ornaments like necklace, bracelet, rings, earrings and bangles, marbles, rattled dolls, bird-shaped whistled and terracotta toys were also excavated from the sites. Next question is give one distinguishing feature each of Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Lothal and Kalibangan. So distinguishing feature of Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Lothal and Kalibangan is Mohenjo-daro. First one is Mohenjo-daro. So Mohenjo-daro was famous for great granary, great pathway, great bath, etc. It was the largest city in the Indus Valley civilization. Harappa was famous for quarters like small granary, R7, cemetery, etc. It was the most famous city in Indus Valley civilization. Lothal was famous for making beads and the city also have dockyard. It was a port city. Kalibangan was divided into three parts. While other cities were divided into two parts, the town was situated on the bank of river Saraswati. Next question is write a short note on the religious practices of the Harappan people. So in the Indus Valley region of poly, polytheistic, and it's made up of Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism. There are many seals to support the evidence of the Indus Valley gods. Some seals show animals which resemble the two gods Shiva and Rudra. Other seals depict a tree which the Indus Valley believed to be the tree of life. Next question is what may have happened for the civilization to decline? And answer is of this question is the Indus Valley civilization declined probably because of the following reason. First one reason is the fertile land was encroached upon by neighboring desert, making it unfit for cultivation. Second one is flood in the Indus River might have destroyed the area. Third one is that the Aryan invention resulted into the destruction of native people. Fourth one is earthquake or other epidemic could have been the cause of abrupt end of civilization. Okay, next question is what write a short brief note on a Dholvira. So Dholvira, also known locally as Kotara Timba, the site contained ruins of an ancient Indus Valley civilization or Harappan city. Dholvira's location is on the Tropic of Cancer. It is one of the 5 largest Harappan sites and most prominent archaeological sites in India belonging to the Indus Valley civilization. So student, I hope you all understand these questions. So this is enough for today. Have a nice day.